special show after election verdict, and Bihar has spoken not in murmurs, not in mixed signals, but loud and absolutely clear. If I take a cricket analogy, the NDA has raised the bat for a double century, crossing the 200 seats marks with control and confidence. So have voters rejected uncertainty and chosen familiarity, rejected experiments and chosen experience? And what does this sweeping double century means for job, welfare delivery, caste shifts, Nitish Kumar's central ability to now navigate the innings and the future of the opposition in the state? Let's decode with the help of our reporters as well as eminent guests. But let's go across to my colleague Sumita first, who's there at Congress headquarters. Sumita, what is the mood like?
It's not very different from, what I told at around 2 p.m. At least earlier in the day when I was giving lives, there were a couple of supporters. There was some sort of enthusiasm. Of course, there was a bit of, cautiousness in the air, given the juggernaut of the, the BJP and, of course, the overall NDA, the JDU in Bihar. However, there was still some sort of hope that perhaps through the day, the Congress will be able, or the Mahagathbandhan will be able to sort of score over the NDA. And given the fact that, Ankur, in the past few days, we've heard leaders from the Mahagathbandhan say that the exit polls are just exit polls, and in fact, we should wait for the final tally to come through. And, we did see earlier in the day there was protesting, there was sloganeering against the vote chori campaign. Remember, the vote chori campaign, or that plank, has been a key plank of the Congress, the Mahagathbandhan. However, if I ask my camera person to show you around the Congress office, the AICC office right here in New Delhi, it's completely vacant. We can just see a couple of media houses over there. But other than that, there are no leaders here. There are no supporters, very few supporters. As you can see, they're strewn all across this ground, but largely it's drawing a blank. And that really shows you the kind of, state that the Congress party is currently in. We were also speaking to a couple of supporters here who had gathered, who were protesting and sloganeering. They said that they were waiting for the leaders. However, the leaders did not come here to sort of talk to these ground workers about what's happening in Bihar and why the debacle in Bihar happened. And that's essentially what many political analysts also state, that is reflective of what's happening in the Congress party as well. Now, let's take a look at, some of the key trends that we are, seeing emerge from the Bihar election outcome. Number one, that it really defines what's going to happen in 2026.
Definitely, Sumita, the picture speaks for itself. The frame speaks for itself. You can see no one is behind our reporter, but let's go across to the other side as well. Kritika is ready from BJP's office. Kritika, the mood should be completely different from Congress, right?
In fact, there is a Litti party underway on your screens. We're cutting directly to visuals. This gentleman here is in fact pouring Sattu Pani also. These are all delicacies of Bihar on your screens. You can see Bihar Vijay Utsav NDA team, Prachand Vijay for Sattu Seva. These are the posters that have been set up. You can look at this gentleman also. His plate, Litti Chokha, is the flavor of this day after the big mandate that in fact has been able to be procured by the BJP, the JDU and the NDA partners. सर आप बताइए, आप सबको लिट्टी खिला रहे हैं, क्या माहौल है?
माहौल बहुत बढ़िया है मैम। बिहार में जीत हुआ है, एनडीए की बहुमत हुई है और उम्मीद भी था। जिस तरह से नीतीश जी ने 20 साल काम किया है, तो वहाँ की जनता ने उनको फिर से मौका दिया और इस बार 5 साल और अच्छा काम करेंगे।
5 साल और अच्छा काम करेंगे। So as you can see, dipped in ghee, in fact, full ghee-laden littis are being distributed here to the workers, young people, older people, supporters, all have in fact come here at the BJP headquarters. On your screens, this is right outside the headquarters. In fact, you can see a lot of workers also on the screens here, everyone enjoying their litti chokhas as of this evening. And in fact, what is also to be noted here is the high mandate, and not only just for Bihar, this has in fact ensued confidence in all of these workers. Their top line this evening is Bihar to abhi jhaki hai, West Bengal baki. So already preparations for West Bengal, anticipation for West Bengal elections are also around the corner. Sir, आप बताइए, आप भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के आज सपोर्टर है, कितना बड़ा आज का दिन है आप लोगों के लिए? इतना भारी मैंडेट, कांग्रेस 5 सीटों पर है अभी।
आज का मैंडेट जो है सो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट का दिन है और खासकर बिहार के जनता के लिए गौरव का दिन है। गौरव का कि हम लोग लालू प्रसाद यादव का जंगल राज से हमेशा हमेशा के लिए मुक्ति मिल गई है।
जंगल राज से हमेशा के लिए
हमेशा हमेशा के लिए जंगल राज से मुक्ति मिल गई है और आगे के आने वाले दिनों में बिहार के जनता के लिए उज्जवल भविष्य का समय आने वाला है।
So of course a lot of hope also that this is going to signify in fact a brighter future for Bihar is what the BJP workers here are saying. Definitely once again showing you the visuals all across as we were speaking about contrasts earlier. At the Congress office you'd see no one apart from media present. However here you have common people also right now stopping who are just commuting by the main road. They've also stopped and come here to find a share in the Litti party being organized right at the gates of the BJP HQ. Litti Seva as they're saying, Sattu Seva as they're saying. सर आप हमें ये बताइए ये जो आज मैंडेट मिला है बिहार के लिए, अब कांग्रेस का ये कहना है कि नहीं ये तो वोट चोरी है।
वो जहाँ जीत जाते ना, अब हिमाचल जीते वोट चोरी नहीं हुई, तेलंगाना जीते वोट चोरी नहीं हुई, झारखंड जीते वोट चोरी नहीं हुई। ये जहाँ जीतते ना वहाँ वोट चोरी नहीं होती। वोट चोरी अगर ये नहीं कहेंगे नरेंद्र मोदी वो शेर है जिसने 140 करोड़ की जनता का दिल जीतने का काम किया है और अगर ये विपक्ष उसको चोरी मानता है तो नरेंद्र मोदी ऐसी चोरी करते रहेंगे। हम तो कहते हैं कि राष्ट्रवाद के किले ढह गए, नहीं गद्दारी के किले ढह गए राष्ट्रवादी की तोप से और सांप नेवले एक हो गए मोदी तेरे कोप से। मोदी है तो मुमकिन है।
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है slogans behind us. In fact, once again showing you the main road as well, where you can see some posters, a lot of BJP flags as well. Right now, it's all celebrations galore here at the gates of the BJP HQ. Requesting our video journalists to also zoom in. You'll see someone dressed up as Hanuman, someone dressed up in Modi t-shirts also dancing. We can start hearing dhol nagaras as well as of the moment. So definitely this evening BJP headquarters has again lit up. Remember this is also
I hope you
following.
also get some share of Litti there. So completely different atmosphere at BJP and Congress headquarters.